Grace, space, pace. 3 words that define a legacy. Your bridge today is gone by, where the essence of Jaguar roars to life. From the United Kingdom, welcome to Tariq TV Productions. 5 iconic Jags, 2 friends, countless memories. Journey back to 1992 with the XJ40, a car that transports you back through time itself. A piece of British automotive history. The allure and charm of the classic design cues from the X300s, X308s to the X350s have captured the hearts of many. From the interior, the inviting smell of the soft, supple leather combined with the interior wood finishing is an artisanal delight. Jags of this vintage are a masterpiece, encapsulating British elegance and refinement. Over 53,000 views testify to a unique blend of mechanical artistry and the warmth of genuine friendship. It's about more than just the cars. It's about the connections and memories that Jags evoke. The timeless bond of friendship between Tariq and Baz that resonates with so many. Dive into our specially curated Jag playlist. It's a treasure trove waiting for you. Just click in the link below or at the end of this video.
Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.